halibut fishing, Oregon motherfucking coast.
Damn, whack 'em and stack 'em, crew.
You gotta keep reeling.
If someone was got a gun.
3 fish in 2 hours isn't bad.
Not at all.
No, dude.
3 nice fish.
And we've lost 1 for sure.
Oh, we lost 2.
We've lost 2 for sure.
I think Matt lost both of them.
Matt lost 2 fish for sure.
That is correct.
He's not good at getting them.
Right? I don't remember. I just remember him having a
Fuck
fish
you.
on the line twice.
On this rod? 'Cause I know he lost 1 back here.
Oh, he's been losing them all day.
Oh, that's fucking awesome, dude. That's a good bite, too.
Yeah. Way to go, Patrick.
Feel like a halibut?
Or a big link.
Or a big fucking skate?
Oh, the wing bandit.
Fight him, Patrick.
That's where they live. God damn it, this is awesome. Thank you, Brandon.
Thanks for coming. Can't do it without friends. I'm glad that we could all get out here together.
And we hooked up in 5 freaking minutes or less.
We don't know what we're doing.
Nope.
Figuring it out.
Figuring it out.
Make sure you get spitting the hook on video.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Shooter.
Get it right through the body. Yeah. Don't drop the pole. You're gonna have to move that rope, move that pole, move that pole, move that pole. There you go.
Put his head down.
Caught.
There you go.
Right in the body.
Get him flat.
Not meant to be
Right in the body.
recreational, Chad. Put it in. There we go. There we go. Nice job, buddy.
Now my day's done. Finally, my own fucking halibut.
Way to be,
3rd
buddy.
time's a charm. No charity fish for me this time.
Yeah! Go, go! Go, go!
Real pussy!
Move up.
Real!
Go, Joe! Go, Joe!
Oh, yeah.
Got your sea legs yet? Here on the old Chasn Tail.
That's what happens when you're not,
God damn it!
that's what happens when you're not hung up together.
Goddamn whack 'em and stack 'em, crew.
This little cunnilingus.
Hey, do you need one of them pussy belts we got down below?
Well, if someone was got a gun, we wouldn't have to
You start shooting now?
deal with any of this. Yeah.
Pour 'em a drink!
Give him a straw and hold it.
No. Yeah. Yeah, actually, that sounds good. Look at this little cocker spaniel. Oh, he don't like coming up.
He doesn't like the light. Tell us about it.
Woo!
You gotta keep reeling.
You need a cig
Thank
and a
you,
drink?
Chad. Thank you. Thank you for that. We call this the love boat.
Shaggin' wagon. How about her? How about her? Joe's got one
Thanks for
on.
the fuck shack. Signed Dirty Mike and the boys.
Goddamn Chasn Tail hooking up again.
You little fuck. That's just a baby.
Either a skate or a nice fucking halibut.
It's a shooter. Either way.
It's a shooter either way.
Give him a reach around.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
Oh, that's so gay.
Yeah, but you know you're gonna love it.
Pissed.
He
He ain't happy.
Yeah.
Skate.
Got color.
Are you shitting me? Fuck!
Gonna skate?
God damn it.
Don't.
No, I'm not gonna.
Holy